Dear viewers, we welcome you to another episode of Inse the YouTube channel of Insurance Institute of India. Today we have with us Sri S.N. Bhattacharya, Secretary General, Life Insurance Council to talk to us. Sri S.N. Bhattacharya carries with him nearly 4 decades of experience in life insurance industry. He joined the council in November 2019. Before joining the council, he worked with Life Insurance Corporation of India and retired as an executive director. During his tenure in Life Insurance Corporation, he has handled many important assignments, and he was head of the Department of Marketing and Product Development. He was also Executive Director of Corporate Communication Department, ensuring corporations' visibility in the market. We are thankful to him for joining us on Inse. Sir, we welcome you to Inse and also thank you for joining us today in this program. Sir, I'd like to ask you one question to start with. Can you please brief our viewers about the mission and functions of Life Insurance Council?
Thank you, Rao Sahab. Thank you for inviting me for this video in Semilie. Life Insurance Council is a statutory body that is meant to connect all the stakeholders in the life insurance industry.
Yeah.
Which means that we are representing, currently there are 24 life insurance companies. We are representing all these 24 insurance companies, and we keep in touch with the regulator, the Government of India, various chambers of commerce, and any other body which is trying to interact with the industry, whether it is in India or from abroad. We ensure that the industry's viewpoint is put forth to the best of industry's interest. Yes, Rao sir.
Sir, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the life insurance industry has been facing multiple challenges. And can you just please highlight the main contributions of Life Insurance Council in helping the life insurance companies to overcome these challenges?
The pandemic and the onslaught of COVID-19 created a lot of problems for the life insurers, mainly because contact was not done. It was mandatory that you keep a safe distance, and life insurance business per se always was dependent on personal contact. This created a lot of problems, but with the help of the regulator, we tried to change a number of rules and give relaxations so that the member, that is life insurers, could go digital as far as possible to ensure that there's uninterrupted servicing for the policyholder.
Yes, sir.
Including settlement of claims. Yeah. You see, when life insurance settles claims, you need to have contract with the claimant. You have to get the papers from the claimant. All this was getting very difficult initially when the first lockdown started. But with a lot of help of digital and videos and things like that, the private companies have done extremely well, and the insurance companies have done extremely well in settling the death claim of the policyholders. And regulator has been very active in this and helping the industry in becoming more digital.
I suppose the performance of insurance companies was reasonably good actually compared to other industries. Life insurance industry performance was good. I think
new business also.
Some realization must be there with the people also about the importance of life insurance.
True.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your views in such a crisp manner. One point that everyone speaks about nowadays is about the insurance awareness. Would you kindly tell us what life insurance is doing to spread, Life Insurance Council is doing to spread the uh, insurance awareness in India?
Life Council, I think at the end of the calendar year 2019, finalized a 360-degree awareness campaign with a caption of "Sabse Pehle Life Insurance."
Yeah, that
Which
is
this
it.
was in the year financial year 2000, I think 1920. It took off somewhere in the end of November, December, and the campaign received an overwhelming response
Yeah.
from the masses, and it was really going very well. But then, unfortunately, because of the pandemic, and somewhere in March, I think middle of March or last week of March, the whole thing, everything got closed down. So we were also forced to stop the campaign, and we are at the currently again preparing ourselves to take the campaign forward in the current year. Now that the lockdowns have reduced, hopefully by by another couple of months, we will be able to go on with the campaign and increase the awareness in this country about life insurance.
Yeah. That sabse pehle sign is very conspicuous, sir. Everywhere nowadays, of course, that is giving a lot of. It shows the importance of insurance actually.
Yes.
And could you share with us your initiatives on developing insurance education, training, and research in India?
Well, education and research per se is not part of our bylaws. We have the awareness as one of our main items. But like I said, we are party to a lot of research activities. Like we are part of Insurance Institute of India, where research is done. So we are consulted and we take active part in the meetings. Besides that, Government of India also has some projects which come up, which involves the regulator as well as the council. And currently, I am part of a insurance initiative, which is being managed by a German firm. So they have this insurance awareness, how to increase in countries like India. That project is going on, and I am a member of that. And once the results are finalized, it will help the country in formulating how to increase the penetration of insurance, life insurance basically, in the country.
Okay. Can you throw some details about that project, sir? Throw light on the details of that particular project.
It is called A2II. Full form is, I forgot the full form. Insurance, inclusive insurance.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Inclusive insurance, and they have chosen 3 countries. One is India, one is Rwanda, that's in Africa, and one is Argentina, that is in South America. Now there are three groups made out of these countries, and all these 3 groups are working. It's kind of a laboratory lab working to find out ways to increase insurance to those who need insurance and those who are not well off. This includes not only life insurance, includes other forms of insurance also.
Okay.
But this also has got a little bit delayed because of the pandemic. Otherwise, it would have gone by now.
Sir, as a veteran of insurance, Indian insurance industry, you have seen the industry from multiple angles. You worked on the marketing, you worked on the corporate communication, and so many other areas of life insurance industry. What is your word of advice to the members of Insurance Institute of India and the insurance fraternity?
Well, I feel the next decade or so belongs to life insurance industry.
Yeah.
And this unfortunate pandemic has also pushed people into not only understanding insurance, but covering their lives and ensuring that families don't suffer because of this kind of unnatural or unforeseen circumstances. So the future does belong to the life insurance industry, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your thoughts and vision with our viewers. Thank you very much. Namaskar, sir.